Dark red Meranti is a tropical hardwood species native to Southeast Asia. It is often referred to by its botanical name, Shorea pauciflora. The heartwood of this species is typically a grayish-pink color, sometimes appearing light pink to red. The grain is usually interlocked or crossed with a moderately coarse texture and occasional dark flecks. Meranti is generally considered to be a durable wood species but is less dense than Sapele and may not machine or finish as well. Dark red Meranti is typically more economical than Sapele. Common names: dark red Meranti, Lauan, Philippine Mahogany, and the alternative Malaysian name for the wood of Shorea pauciflora is nemesu. Shorea pauciflora King is the principal species producing dark red seraya from Sabah, locally known also as suluk. Properties: dark red Meranti has medium crushing and bending strength, low shock resistance, and stiffness. It has good steam bending properties. The wood works well, but a reduced cutting angle is recommended when machine planing sections with interlocked grain. There is only a slight blunting effect on tooling. Dark red Meranti is usually easy to turn, drill, and carve. It glues, paints, stains, and oils well. Color and appearance: typically a dark reddish or purplish brown, commonly with white resin streaks present. Grain and texture: grain can be straight or interlocked with a coarse texture and low natural luster. Workability: typically easy to work, though any interlocked grain can present problems during planing, and dark red Meranti is reported to have very poor steam bending properties. Some species may have a slight blunting effect on tools due to small levels of silica present in the wood. It glues, stains, and finishes well. The moisture content of dark red Meranti typically ranges from 12 to 18% when kiln-dried. As for pricing and availability, Meranti is widely harvested and available worldwide. Despite being imported, it should be moderately priced. Dark red Meranti is used for a variety of applications. It is commonly found in furniture and cabinet making, joinery, kitchen cabinets, office furniture, domestic flooring, boat planking, rough construction, veneer and plywood, interior furniture, general construction, concrete forms, veneer, and boat building. Comments on dark red Meranti reveal that it is sometimes referred to as red Lauan. Wood in the Shorea genus is very commonly used in Southeast Asia, and there is an abundance of variety among the different species. Each species has different working properties, appearances, and mechanical strength values. The main groupings for Shorea species are light red Meranti, dark red Meranti, white Meranti, yellow Meranti, and balau. The strength and mechanical values listed at the top of this page represent the average of a handful of species within the corresponding group. Also called Philippine Mahogany, Meranti bears no relation to what is considered to be true mahogany in the Swietenia and Kaya genera.